Can my furnace be too hot? Yes, a furnace can be too hot, and this can lead to various issues, including safety concerns and potential damage to the furnace itself. Here are some reasons why a furnace might be too hot and what problems it can cause. Overheating components. If certain components within the furnace, such as the heat exchanger or burners, become excessively hot, it can lead to various problems. This can be caused by issues such as restricted airflow, a malfunctioning blower motor, or a clogged air filter. Dirty or clogged components. Accumulation of dirt, dust, or other debris on critical components can reduce heat dissipation and cause the furnace to overheat. Regular maintenance, including cleaning or replacing air filters, is crucial to prevent such issues. Incorrect airflow. Proper airflow is essential for efficient and safe furnace operation. If the airflow is restricted due to issues like a blocked vent, closed registers, or a malfunctioning blower, the furnace may overheat. Thermostat issues. A malfunctioning thermostat may cause the furnace to run longer than necessary, leading to overheating. Ensure that your thermostat is working correctly and is set to the desired temperature. Ignition or control board problems. Issues with the ignition system or control board can cause the furnace to operate improperly, leading to overheating. Faulty components in these systems should be inspected and repaired by a qualified HVAC technician. Gas pressure problems. If the gas pressure is too high, it can result in excessive heat production within the furnace. Conversely, low gas pressure may cause incomplete combustion, leading to overheating. Blocked vents or ductwork. Blocked vents or ductwork can impede the proper flow of air, causing the furnace to overheat. Ensure that vents and ducts are free from obstructions. Problems associated with an overheating furnace. Reduced efficiency. An overheating furnace is likely to operate less efficiently, leading to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. Safety hazards. Overheating can pose safety risks, including the potential for fires. It's essential to address overheating issues promptly to prevent safety hazards. Component damage. Prolonged overheating can cause damage to critical furnace components, leading to costly repairs or the need for component replacement. If you suspect that your furnace is running too hot, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. Contact a qualified HVAC professional to inspect and diagnose the problem. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help ensure the safe and efficient operation of your furnace.